What are your expectations for Tesla in Q4? Experts have varying opinions about this. Some believe that Q4 will be a great quarter for Tesla, while some argue that challenges and limitations faced in the past quarters will still be present for Q4. Make sure not to miss this info. Tesla stock has declined by roughly 19% over the past month as there are multiple factors weighing on the stock. Still, Musk is expecting a record-breaking Q4. I can't emphasize enough, we have excellent demand for Q4, and we expect to sell every car that we've made, Tesla CEO Elon Musk said in the Q3 earnings call. The factories are running at full speed and delivering every car we make. The Tesla community, including Tesla executives themselves, have quite huge expectations for Q4 2022. As our factories ramp, we're looking forward to a record-breaking Q4. So it really, knock on wood, it looks like we'll have an epic end of year. So Q4 is looking extremely good, says Musk. Tesla plans to push global production of its top-selling Model Y and Model 3 electric vehicles sharply higher in the fourth quarter and build on that growth in 2023 as new factories in Austin and Berlin ramp production, internal plans reviewed by Reuters show. If the production ramp-up goes according to plan, the global autos market's projected growth will jump by a factor of 10 in 2023, considering a 50% production increase for the entire year. As our factories ramp, we're looking forward to a record-breaking Q4, so it really, knock on wood, it looks like we'll have an epic end of year. So Q4 is looking extremely good, says Musk. Musk explained that in terms of the production ramp, Giga Berlin achieved another milestone of 2,000 cars made in a week with very good quality and is ramping rapidly. Giga Texas is expected to reach this milestone very soon. Tesla's forecast sets an ambitious target to produce almost 495,000 Model Y and Model 3s in the fourth quarter of this year. Those two models account for about 95% of Tesla's output. Musk told analysts in Q2 that the company had a good chance of hitting a global production run rate of 40,000 vehicles a week by the end of 2022. The forecast also points to a sharp gain in output in Tesla's newer factories in Austin, Texas and Berlin. George Steinbach, the regional economy minister of Brandenburg, where Tesla has its factory near Berlin, has said Tesla will be moving to 3 shifts at the plant by the end of the year. Sam FIORANI, Vice President of Global Forecasting at Auto Forecast Solutions AFS, which tracks production, said it would not be a surprise to see big jumps in output for Tesla from plants in Austin and Berlin since those plants have been running below capacity. Berlin and Austin are coming into their own next year, and that's where a lot of this volume is coming from, he said. During the Q3 earnings call, Tesla CEO Elon Musk explained that in terms of the production ramp, Giga Berlin achieved another milestone of 2,000 cars made in a week with very good quality and is ramping rapidly. Giga Texas is expected to reach this milestone very soon. Moreover, Tesla's production of 4680 cells has tripled in Q3 compared to the previous quarter. We are finally gaining rapid traction on the 4680 cell, and its output is growing rapidly, and we expect it to start incorporating in cars and having it be a significant portion of our production here in Texas in the coming months, the Tesla CEO expounded. Musk also said that Tesla has the second generation of manufacturing equipment for 4680 cells in Texas, which continues to show great progress along with the original pilot line in Fremont. Notably, the Fremont factory reached record production in Q3 once more. We intend to keep raising production in Fremont, shares Musk. Talking about the Tesla Autopilot, Musk recalled that the company hosted its second AI Day at the end of September, where the Tesla team showed the first prototype of the humanoid robot Optimus. The company also released updates on its trained computer as well as a high range of improvements of full self-driving software. Musk is very proud of the Tesla FSD project. Our vehicles have now driven nearly 60 miles in full self-driving beta mode, and this number continues to grow exponentially. Our goal with that AI Day was to post recruiting, and we've seen a massive influx of world-class artificial intelligence engineers and scientist resumes, said Musk. Well, it seems that it worked, as it generated a tremendous amount of interest from some of the best AI researchers in the world. I can't emphasize the importance of this enough, because I think it finally has become clear to the smallest AI technologies in the world that Tesla is among the very best, shared Musk. Several times during the call, Musk emphasized his optimism about a great Q4. Although the Fed is raising interest rates more than they should, but I think they'll eventually realize that and bring it back down again. So demand is a little higher than it would otherwise be, but as I said earlier, we are extremely confident of a great Q4, and we anticipate continuing to grow our vehicle production sale deliveries by, on average, 50% a year as far into the future as we can see. In early October, CLEANTECHNICA posted an article titled, "Looking ahead to Q4, Tesla is likely to produce positive outcomes." CleanTechnica is a US-based website dedicated to aggregating news in clean technology, sustainable energy, and electric vehicles with a focus on Tesla. According to the article, there are several optimistic indications that Tesla will experience continued growth through 2023 as well. Anticipating a great Q4, experts believe that now is a great time to buy more stocks during the dip. Over the last 3 months, Tesla shares have lost about a third of their value and are down more than 40% year to date. The pullback in the stock price likely has a lot of investors wondering if now is a good time to buy the electric car maker's stock. After all, even though shares are down, the underlying business is growing rapidly. In fact, third-quarter revenue soared 56% year-over-year, and free cash flow for the period increased 148% to about $3.3 billion. Further, the company's cash position grew to $21.1 billion. Q3 was outstanding with record revenue and operating profit, as well as record free cash flow. The strong quarter, of course, was fueled by Tesla's surging vehicle deliveries. Total third-quarter deliveries increased 42% year-over-year to 343,830. Tesla's strong business performance during a challenging environment highlights the automaker's momentum and the powerful secular demand tailwinds for fully electric vehicles. All of this to say the stock's decline marks a good time to consider the stock. After plunging 50% this year, analysts increasingly say yes about Tesla being a buy. After losing nearly $300 billion in market value in 2 months, Tesla analysts say the share price decline has gone far enough. Morgan Stanley analyst Adam Jonas earlier said that Tesla is approaching his bear case price target of $150, presenting an opportunity for investors to buy at a bargain price. Citi analyst upgraded the shares to neutral from sell, saying that a more than 50% slump this year has balanced out the near-term risk-reward. Despite challenges including decelerating demand and price cuts in China, Tesla is the only electric vehicle covered by Morgan Stanley that generates a profit on the sale of its cars, Jonas wrote in a note. The analyst, who also highlighted Tesla's potential to benefit from consumer tax credits in the US, reiterated his $330 price target. The distraction caused by Twitter needs to end to stop the stock slide. According to Jonas, there must be some form of sentiment circuit breaker around the Twitter situation to calm investors' concerns around Tesla. He wrote, "Despite all of the challenges Tesla has faced this year, Wall Street has mainly stayed bullish. The majority of Tesla analysts tracked by Bloomberg rate the stock as a buy or equivalent, while the shares would need to rally a whopping 57% to hit the average analyst target price." Overall, Tesla's Q4 2022 is now looking quite good. If the company's goals can be achieved, as most company executives expect them to, Q4 Tesla production would put the EV maker on track to meet CEO Elon Musk's goals of 1.5 million possible units for 2022. Internal plans indicate that the production plans would see Tesla blow past projected growth in the global market for autos by close to a factor of 10 in 2023, with a production increase of over 50% for the year. As our factories ramp, we're looking forward to a record-breaking Q4. So it really, knock on wood, it looks like we'll have an epic end of year. So Q4 is looking extremely good, says Musk. Subscribe to this channel for huge Tesla stock updates.